Ang galing mo naman maghugas ng pinggan. I mean, ng bote. And stand corrected. Hena kong hena. We're gonna go home now. Yeah, there, but I don't have plastic. What's that, Kevin? This video, hello. I'm just taking like a souvenir for my, you know, compilation. Not really that much. What's that sako? Almalin Beach Resort. Taray. Ito ang aming pajero. Makikita natin dito si Doña William, ang may-ari ng Metrobank. Ito ang aming pajero. Napakalamig. There you go. As you can see, the resort is not really a mediocre one. Ang taray, di ba? How's that?
It's great.
No, it's not. It's like 4 hours of travel time, but still, the place is not really that, you know, good, or rather, the best.